Are you tired of Sam farming your data? Or do you want to use ChatGPT but your wallet looks like this? And now you heard there's a new model for the people in the market. And you want to run it, but you don't know how. Fear not, because I'm here to tell you exactly how you can do that. There are multiple ways to use DeepSeek. The first one is to simply go to chat.deepseek.com. Log in here, sell your soul and start using DeepSeek for free. But this is not the most ideal way because this way China is gonna farm you like a wheat farm. We want to run DeepSeek locally, away from the internet, so no one has access to your data. No one can see what chemicals you're cooking up in your lab or whatever you're doing with your dough for that matter. Now this is gonna make China really angry, but this is good for your privacy. Let's start the process. First you need to go to your browser and search for LM Studio. Click on the download button. Once the application is downloaded, double click on it, drag it to the applications folder, and voila, LM Studio is installed. Open up the software. Here you have the option to run the entire DeepSeek R1 model locally on your computer, but remember, your wallet looks like this. So we need to sway our eyes away from the glorious full model and choose the distilled version. This one means a lot of data is filtered out so they can run on a smaller machine. There are several options and the one you will choose depends on your hardware. Let's go with this one, and one cool thing about LM Studio is that it will tell you if your machine can handle this or not. You can just hover over these options and find out. Now simply click on download. Once the download is finished, make sure to select the correct folder from the drop down menu over here. Once you have selected it, you have your own DeepSeek running fully locally on your machine. I'm gonna turn off my internet and we're gonna try some prompts. And as you can see, it works wonderfully. So there you have it, your own
China, 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 China.
open source AI model running locally on your machine.